In a world at war, where mercy was rare, one man found a reason to care. Oskar Schindler, once a businessman chasing profit, now walks among hundreds of workers. He never meant to save, but now can't bear to lose. Inside his factory, the clatter of machines is more than work, it's survival. Every spark, every motion, a quiet act of defiance against death itself. The air is heavy, but there's hope in every face. They know this place, this man, is a thin line between life and the darkness outside. He doesn't speak. He only walks slowly through the rows. His eyes fill with the weight of what he's seen and what he's chosen to do. And in that silence, he understands that saving one life is not just mercy, it's redemption. For more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.